Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jackson, and in this video I'm going to show you again how you can get simple free CPA marketing traffic this year. And you're going to be using these simple tricks that you can implement just by using 5 minutes in a day. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started right away. And if you're a person that like this kind of videos, kindly smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our future videos coming up. So let's get started right away. So the very first website that you need to go to is, of course, you need to head over to twitter.com. And when you're on twitter.com, when you check on SimilarWeb, you can see this website gets over 6 billion users in a single month. So I'm going to show you how you can leverage on this traffic to get your CPA offers done within just a minute. So the next website that I'm going to be showing you is, of course, is Pinterest.com. And on Pinterest.com, if you check on SimilarWeb, you can see Pinterest.com gets over 1 billion users in a single month. So I'm going to show you how you can literally leverage on all this free traffic to generate yourself free sales on your CPA offers. So the very third website that you need to use is going to be You Like It. So this website, I have a link in the description, you can check it through. This website has a lot of things that you can do with it, but basically, in as far as this video is concerned, I'm going to show you how you can use it and leverage it together with these other two websites, the Pinterest and Twitter.com, that I've already shown you, to see how you can get yourself free traffic on your CPA offers. So on You Like It, you can see this deals with points. You have to have some sort of points to be able to do what you want to do. So if you don't have points right here, what you can do, you can literally buy points, but I don't want you to buy anything right now, so you can literally earn points for free. So when you click the earn points section, there are a couple of tasks that you can do for yourself to get these points. You can follow people on Twitter, you can like other people's tweets, or you can retweet other people's tweets, or you can earn points by also giving out Instagram likes, YouTube views, YouTube likes. There you're earning points. So I'm just going to show you how it works in a little while. For example, if I go on Pinterest followers, so if I click Pinterest followers, as you can see right now, I have a balance of 3 or 6 points. So if I follow this guy on Pinterest, that means I will get 34 points added onto my balance. So if I follow this one, the same thing. So they are giving out points for the particular task that you're going to be doing. So if I click the follow button right here, you can see start following. The number of points under each user is how many points you'll get for following them. So if I follow this guy right here, just showing you in a while. Okay, so it opens up. So I click the follow button. Okay, so when I go back to You Like It, I confirm follow. It will just load shortly, and you can see my points have been added right here. So that's how you pretty much get points on this website. You literally earn points by doing simple tasks on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, on TikTok, and so many other things, on visiting other people's websites. So that's how you can pretty much get points right here. So if you have the points that you need and you are ready to start using this website to get the traffic that you want, you just come to add or edit site right here. And basically, I'm going to show you how you can leverage this website to get the traffic on your CPA offers from the two websites that I've already shown you. So if you want to get that traffic, that means basically we're going to focus on Twitter retweets or Pinterest saves right here. So basically we need to get people who can retweet our tweets so that they get more popular. And if you check on Twitter, again, where's Twitter? Okay, if you can check on SimilarWeb, you can see that it is most popular in the United States, and you can see most of the users, over 25%, come from the United States, and 14 from Japan, 5 from UK. So we need to focus on the offers from for those countries basically. So when you check on Pinterest, you can see the tier countries right here, we have 43% for USA and 8% for Brazil, for India. So basically we need to go around these countries so that we get these people view our offers. So what you need to do, you click on Twitter retweets, and basically you complete your account setup so that you can start getting your Twitter being retweeted. So you can see on your Twitter account they want your tweet ID. So after posting your tweet, then you need this tweet ID, and I'm going to show you how you can get it in a while. So heading over to Twitter. So right now I'm on Twitter account. So when you let me just get one tweet like this one right here. If I click right here, you can see this is what we call the tweet ID. These numbers after slash right here. You can see these are the numbers that they want you to feed here, right? After status, then these numbers that follow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a tweet right here. So for example, I'm going to, when what's happening, I'm going to say, hi there. This is a $500 gift card ready for you. Take it here and could put some emojis. We have this one. Okay, take it here, and then right here I'll paste my link basically. So when you paste your link, remember the link has to be shortened into something like a Bentley link shortener so that they don't delete it right here. I hope you know how to do this kind of stuff. Or you can as well as create a landing page, and right here you paste a link to your landing page from where these people can then go to your CPA offers. So after doing that, you paste here your link and click tweet. So for example, when I click on this tweet, you can see this is going to be my tweet ID. So when I copy, let me just copy these numbers and head over to you like hits right here. Then I paste here my tweet ID. Okay. And click add tweets. Okay, you have successfully added this tweet to get retweeted. So manage Twitter retweets, click there. And here you can see, right here you can set up the points that you want to give out for each retweet. For example, for retweets, I want to pay out 20 points, and for likes I don't want likes on that, so just going to leave it there. Okay, and you can see it automatically sets it. So you can see payout change it to 20 points. Click OK. So my Twitter retweet has been set. So anytime I'll have these people from this website start retweeting my retweet on twitter.com. So let me again do Pinterest saves. Click add or edit sites right here and go to Pinterest saves. So add pin ID. So let me go on to Twitter and just click on this pin, and let me see any ID of the ID. So you can see as well the ID is these numbers right there. So pin ID is going to be these numbers. So I'm going to copy them, okay, and paste it right here. add pin. Okay, been set successfully, so click manage Pinterest pins right here, and I'm paying off 20 points as well. Okay, so payout, change it to 20 points. Boom. So anytime from now, I'm going to get saves on these pins, or on my pin that I've set right here, and again I'll start getting retweets. So that means on twitter.com, this was for demonstration purposes because I have no link to any of my CPA offers on this tweet. So that means this was just for the demonstration purposes. So that means anytime I have people retweet my tweet, that means it is standing more chances to get people to see it and basically link through this link and take out that offer. Remember, the offers that I'll literally take for this traffic will be mostly gift card offers or some sort of email submit and win, you know. So this simple what I'll be promoting on this kind of tricks. So if I head over to my homepage right now, this is my homepage, and surprisingly you can see this guy, over 3 people have already saved my pins, and you can check on my balance points from 300, I think 360 something, it has already dropped to 280. So I have this guy saving your pin, saving your pin, saving your pin. So that means if this pin that I attached to you, like Hits was promoting my CPA offers, that means I'll be standing a great chance of having these people actually taking up my offer and basically be making money. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If certainly you did, kindly smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can as well as ask any question if you like to in the comment section, and I will see you again in another video. Bye bye, see you.